Hello everybody, Audrey here. Today we are making steamed egg tofu beef patty. See how juicy the meat is by looking at that make me hungry already. And this dish is totally a rice killer. 7 ounces of ground pork. We will use all the sauce on the screen to marinate the meat. Two packs of egg tofu. The main ingredients of egg tofu is whole eggs. It makes it super tender and soft. Now let's slice the tofu, each slice about 1 centimeter thick. Have a plate with a little depth, then use the tofu to make a circle. Make sure slices overlap each other a little. Here comes a perfect circle. Adjust the shape if needed. For those tofu don't have the desired shape, add them to the meat we prepared before. Then use a spoon to smash them. Place the meat inside the tofu circle we made before. Leave some space in the middle. The middle is where we're gonna put a whole egg. Push the meat to make more space if needed. All the preparations are done. It's time to steam. Cover it with aluminum foil and make some small holes on top. Boil a pot of hot water and steam it for 10 minutes. Garnish with green onion and the chili pepper. 2 tablespoons of seafood soy sauce. Here comes the super easy and delicious tofu meat. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. See you next time.